This is Wolf. This is Pretty Boy. And Wolf is one of the few cats here in our rescue that talks. Have you seen Coco? Have you seen Coco? Huh? Have you seen Coco? No? Can you go find her? Can you find Coco? Coco's missing. Can you find her? Do you know where Coco is? Wolf. Wolf, do you know where Coco is? Where's Coco? Can you tell me? Wolf, where's Coco? Do you know where Coco is? Can you find Coco for me? Huh? Can you find Coco for me? This is a little kitten. It doesn't have a name yet. It's a little gold. Here's a little Pretty Boy. I think I'm going to start a charity where you can support each and every cat by name. And then this guy down here is so cute. He doesn't have a name yet either. You guys all know Ying. Ying and Bruiser have been on our channel for a long, long time. Ying, where's Coco? Ying, Ying, where's Coco? Can you find Coco? Where's Coco? Bruiser, do you know where Coco is? Bruiser, do you know where Coco is? Ying, where's Coco?